Creative explorers, today we will start the second half of the full view technique of slicing software. Now, let's dive into the wonders of 3D printing. In this video tutorial, I will lead you to master the clever use of multiple perspectives to turn an over-supported, structurally optimized model into an eye-catching masterpiece step by step. First, we imported the model into the slicing software. Tap Parallel View, and you are greeted with a distortion-free, true-to-scale view of the model's faces, meaning that the model's dimensional proportions remain the same. No matter how the viewing angle changes, making accurate measurements and calibrations a breeze. So let's try to take precise measurements in Parallel View. Click New Measurement. Then click on the first and last points of the measurement on the model to complete accurate measurement. You can refer to your drawings to determine if the dimensions match. We can see that the two sizes differ greatly. So, we need to scale the model to adjust the size. We can see that the model is highly inconsistent. With the lock scale, you only need to adjust the height parameter. Let's measure it again. Look, the size is now very close to what we wanted. At this point we have completed the size measurement of the model. Before proceeding to the next step, let us first add supports to the model. After adding supports, let's observe the changes of the model in different perspectives in Parallel View. Now it's time for precision. Parallel View is your alignment and editing godsend, shielding you from the distractions of perspective scaling, and ensuring that every fine-tuning is straight to perfection, the patron saint of dimensional accuracy and symmetry checking. The three views are like the designer's multi-view windows, independent or intertwined, helping you to understand every corner of the model and unlock the code of the complex structure. Perspective view is a bridge between art and reality, which gives the model a lifelike three-dimensional sense from the human eye's point of view. Rotating, zooming and panning freely, perspective view takes you through every hidden corner of the design, letting the spark of creativity shine in the preview stage, especially in the aesthetic design and product demonstration. Its value is irreplaceable. Perspective views also help to visualize and understand the relationship between 3D space and objects, making them an effective tool for teaching 3D design and printing concepts. Perspective and parallelism, they go hand in hand. The former is the catalyst for creativity, while the latter is the guardian of precision. At the beginning of the design process, the perspective view leads you to inspiration. At the time of refinement, the parallel view and the direction-specific view ensure that nothing is left to chance. The combination of the two is a double-edged sword in every explorer's quest for excellence. Finally, let's take a look at the preview results of the slices. Through today's study, I believe you have mastered the skills of looking at design from all angles. Whether it is detail sculpting or overall conceptualization, the flexible use of these perspectives will be your design secret. Now, it's your turn to sound off. The comments section is open and waiting for your questions, discussion topics, suggestions for video improvements, and insights into your 3D printing journey. Every word from you is what keeps us going. In the next episode, we'll learn how to use copy, move, auto layout and more, so stay tuned. Remember to subscribe and light up the little bells and whistles for great content not to be missed. Thanks again to our peers. Let's work together to create unlimited possibilities in exploring the vast sea of stars of 3D printing. See you in the next episode.